does feel nice out here this morning. Beautiful. It says 68 now, so warmed up a couple degrees. Uh-oh, man, that was a close gunshot.
Yes, it was.
Dang. Well, it hasn't yet. Man, that dude was close wherever it is. It's got to be right here somewhere or right back there. One or the other. But we are out riding this morning, guys, and getting shot at. Oh, you never know, but I don't think it was.
Is that on there?
Yeah, the gunshot's on the camera too, so I just turned it on. But we're going out for a ride, aired down the tires on the 300L, and which is a huge improvement off-road. I usually don't, but it makes a big difference if you air down to 14, 15 pounds. And I got this tiny little compressor in here, so it'll be easy to air back up later. We're probably going on a long ride today, different places, and but just so you guys know, we did sell the TW200. We just decided that was the best move. Sherry did fall over on it, but that's not really the reason. It's part of the reason, but that wasn't really it. I mean, she actually got back up and rode that day, and we rode a couple of times after that, but it's just, she feels more safe riding with me than she does riding that, and I kind of feel the same way. I feel safer with her right here on here with me, because it's a big deal when you get on the road. These back roads ain't bad, but when you get on the highway with the motorcycle, you really got to be on your game these days. We about got hit earlier, head on. Some knucklehead come around the corner on the wrong side of the road. But you got to be able to make those judgments, and we just decided it's going to be the best thing to sell the TW. I mean, it was a nice little bike. It was a lot of fun, but we decided to sell it, use that money for the house on a lot of stuff we needed to go ahead and get the house finished. So that come in real handy. So now I'm solely with the Sierra 300L, and that's our bike. That's what we're riding on now, on 2-up. And so
Yeah, I don't want to disappoint anybody. For you ladies that are wanting to ride, all I can tell you is you have to give it a try to find out if it's for you or not. Just because I found out it wasn't for me, that doesn't mean it's not for you. It's on each individual person.
that's true.
I think that maybe if I would have learned how to do a motorcycle years ago instead of waiting so long, because of who I am, my personality and everything, I think I could have done better.
Yeah, and you start out too at, 50 years old, basically. Start out at 50 years old riding a motorcycle. It's kind of it's a big change.
It is a big change. It's kind of scary, because you're trying to get a mindset on everything, and then when something like that does happen with an accident or whatever, it does put a little more fear into it. Now, some people that may define them and I'm going to do better, but to me, it just helped me make a decision that I just feel like that it's best for me to stick riding on the back string, because I feel safer, like people do.
Right.
It's just so much safer ride back here. I'm not in control of the bike, string control, and it's just a lot better that way for me.
And it's just a deal where, I mean, I could have got upset because we bought the motorcycle and then she changed her mind, but I didn't, because I feel that, why would you get upset? So a lot of you guys that are teaching your wife to ride and they decide they don't want to, what matters is that she's comfortable. If she's not, I'm not going to force her into it and getting hurt. It's not worth it. That wasn't the goal. It was just, she wanted to try it. We sold the 250L and decided to get the TW, and we'd give it a try, and it just wasn't for her, so I'm not upset one bit. I enjoy her riding here with me anyway, so, and I do feel safer with her on behind me, so all works out good. We're going on a ride today. It's going to be a beautiful day, not extremely hot. So that's all there is to that, guys. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you on the next one. Ride on.